Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, this is Kimmy. For those of you who do not know, I am on a healthy weight loss journey, and I've chosen Weight Watchers as my preferred method. But we talk about a little bit of everything. So today I'm coming to you guys in full makeup. What do you think? So I actually had a photo shoot with my two teammates for my business that we all do together, and it turned out so well. And this is the first time I've ever had my makeup done, so I'm feeling pretty cute, y'all, I must say. So they did eyelashes and everything, which they're trying to fall off even as we speak, because my allergies have been off the chain the last couple days. But anyway, let's get right into it. So again, I'm feeling kind of cute, y'all, with this makeover. My first time having one. So let's talk about my weight loss journey, though. And do you guys wear makeup? Do you wear it all the time or sometimes special occasions? What do you do? Because I'm really thinking about trying to have a lesson and incorporate. I just feel so polished. I really do. I'll show y'all some of the pictures when we actually get the photo shoot back. Update on the weight. So I lost 1.5 pounds, and I am ecstatic because you guys know I've been up and down a pound for about the last few weeks and have not made any progress. So now I'm at 1.5 pounds, which is a total of 19.2. I'm so close to 20, I can taste it. I'm at 19.2 total weight loss. So let's talk about what I did. I like to recap the week and give you some tips from that. So this week I decided to take smoothies out of my diet. Okay, I took out the smoothies, and I know that made a difference because there's a lot of sugar in smoothies. And I thought about it. I'm not diabetic, so that's why I figured the smoothies was a nice alternative. However, it's still a lot of sugar and a lot of carbs. So I changed from having a smoothie with blueberries, a banana, strawberries, pineapple, or papaya, and all this different stuff in it, mango, and peanut butter. Took all of that away. Now, up this past week, I have been eating around 11 or 12. I just start my day with a banana, one piece of fruit. I'm already eliminating over 100 carbs, because that's a lot of carbs when you think about all that banana, sugar, the banana, strawberries, papaya, or mango, and all those different fruits. That adds up. So now I'm just waiting, like I said, to around 11 or 12. Have my banana, and then I have my heavier lunch. And then for my snack, I usually still have my baked Cheetos and my orange. I'm a creature of habit. Most people are. So for my snack, I'm fine. Once I had a nice size lunch or, mid brunch time of day thingy, that afternoon, even around dinner, I usually will have my baked Cheetos and my orange, and I'll be fine. So it worked, because this week I'm down 1.5. I can actually see it in my clothes. Also, I wanted to tell y'all about a few things that I ate. So I actually had some ice cream this past week. Okay. I included it in my points and everything. So you can have whatever you want on Weight Watchers. Excuse me. And I had some ice cream. But it caused me to have so much mucus. And I think I mentioned to you guys I was thinking about taking dairy out and try it for a week. Still haven't come that far yet, clearly, because I had ice cream. But it caused me to have so much mucus. Do you guys get mucus when you have dairy products? Because it's mixed. Some people say dairy is okay. Other people say avoid it, So I know what it does for me, and it does cause me extra bloating, and it does cause extra mucus, as I already mentioned. I had cold-like symptoms. I had an experience too, guys. I like to share those. I went to a Japanese hibachi first time. It was actually my second time recently going, but it was still a new experience for me because I had went like a month ago, and I wanted to take my husband, and we took some friends there for their anniversary. And it was really nice. So we had hibachi. They cook the food in front of you. If you've never done that before, have an experience, guys. I've been really talking about having experiences. But at this restaurant, I tried the wasabi, and I actually had for the first time a sushi, because they had chicken, and normally they don't make it with chicken. It's normally made with some kind of fish or something. I have a shellfish allergy, if I never mentioned that one to you. So I had the sushi, but I had it with chicken, jalapenos in it, and instead of seaweed, which I'm allergic to also, they use like a rice paper. So I was able to try that, and it was actually really good. So I'm really having these new experiences. So the Japanese hibachi was really good, and I know that I'm losing weight too. I want to give you some results, receipts, because I am able to do my elliptical longer. I was only like a 10-minute person on the elliptical, but now I'm kind of doing 20, When I'm walking on my treadmill, instead of like 2.2 RPMs, I'm up to 2.9. So much so that I thought my treadmill was broken, but I was moving faster. Isn't that funny? So that happened also. Now I have to tell y'all, my vitamin that I started taking, I stopped taking it. It was causing my skin to look like leather, kind of patchy and leatherish. So I stopped the vitamin. Now my nails, as you can see, they look really good. My nails were growing like crazy. My hair was looking better to me. But my skin, it's like you take something from one thing and then something else happens. So I was talking to a friend of mine, and she said the same thing happened to her niece. She was taking a vitamin, and this area here became dark. Okay. So I don't know what's in the vitamin. Okay. I don't. So I stopped taking the multivitamin for now. And I'm just going to go back to doing what I was doing, minus the smoothies. I'm going to talk about that sugar in a minute. Also, I ate at a nice seafood restaurant with my sister and some friends. And again, I'm highly allergic, so I'm very particular what I eat at the restaurant. But they had some broccoli, and the lady that worked there, she said, oh, the server, she said the broccoli is so good. And I wanted the broccoli, right? I was trying to have something healthy. And guys, that broccoli was so good, but it was laden with butter. Yep. It had so much butter in it. So it had so much butter in it because I don't have a gallbladder. I actually was getting nauseous. If you don't have a gallbladder, you probably can relate. Either you get acid reflux, or in my case, too much butter will make me nauseous. And when I looked at it, I said, look, it's got a lot of butter. And sure enough, I was feeling so sick. So in the future, I'm going to tell them don't cook mine in butter. You know, I'll be very particular because I don't want to feel ill. You know, one of my very first videos I did about losing weight was I was just tired of feeling sick and having to take a pill to eat something, you know. So with that, I would have really should have taken like the, my pill that I have for acid reflux, because I wasn't feeling good at all, guys. So let me talk about that smoothie thing really quick. I'm gonna do a whole video on that, but I stopped all that extra sugar in that smoothie, right? And I googled. I said, can you lose your hair due to too much sugar? Remember, because I told y'all my hair was thinning really bad, right? So it all might go together. I didn't even equate having the smoothies with my hair loss, but we'll talk about that in another video, the whole thing. But I did want to give you a few things that I found out in my research. So it says the theory has it that the main protein in hair and sugar, the content is maybe not balanced. The lack of protein in the body could lead to hair loss. So you having all this sugar, but not enough protein, because I wasn't having eggs anymore. And eggs have a lot of benefits. I'm going to do a whole video on eggs because I did some research on that and just having one egg per day. So I'm going to do a video on that. So that's some of the theory. And that you may be missing certain vitamins such as vitamin D, E, copper, iron, magnesium, selenium. And all of those things are not found in sugar. Right? So you having more sugar, you're not getting no vitamins. It's no nutrients. So my hair was probably literally just dying. Remember I told you I felt like I was missing some nutrients? Well, the nutrients that I was trying to avoid by eating eggs is what I needed to be eating to help my hair to grow. So I'm not having no nutrients, even though fruit does have vitamin C and it has a couple things in it. Protein has much more. So I know we can debate this all day long. So I'm not making this video to debate whether or not you should have eggs or not. That's a personal decision. Whatever you eat is your business. I am not here to debate that. But what I'm saying for myself is I was lacking some nutrients. And it might be that I need to start incorporating more eggs and cut that sugar, which I did all this week. And I had a weight loss. So we'll see what happens next week. I'm hoping to hit that 2-0, guys. And I think that's all I kind of wanted to share. Oh, one more thing. I forgot. My friend gifted me some dresses, guys. They are so beautiful. She gifted me like 6 dresses, a skirt, and 3 shirts. Okay. They are size 18. I am normally a 22. I used to wear a few 24s, but a solid 2022. All these dresses are 18s and they are a little loose. Yep. So when I do my 20-pound video, I'm going to show you maybe some of the clothes that I still have that I can't fit, because I don't plan to go back. I really don't. I am done. I am so done and overweight this time. Usually I lose 5 pounds, 10 pounds, and I gain it back. This is the first time in years. My niece asked me today. She said, when the last time you lost 20 pounds? Can't call it. Never happened. So I am so ecstatic ecstatic, guys. And I'm going to continue on my journey. And I thank each of you for all your tips about what you're doing and how you're losing weight, or either just some things that have worked for you. I really do appreciate it. And you notice I ain't put my glasses back on because I want y'all to see my makeup. And I feel so good. I hate to say that again, but I really do. So I'm really thinking about this makeup thing. If I could just find me one product, because the girl that did it today, it didn't take her but like 30, 45 minutes. Not even. And I mean, she did that. Now I won't do the lashes because I have terrible allergies. And even today, my eyes just been watering and they're going to fall off. Let me see. Can you see the lashes? See, it's falling off. But I want you to at least see the video. You see that? Look at that. It's coming off right before you. Yeah. So, but you can see it just makes you look more polished, you know? So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. That was my weight loss. So 1.5 pounds, 1.5, still moving better. Everything's still getting better. I can't wait to go to the doctor and see what my numbers are like. Coming off of some of that sugar with these smoothies. I'm going to do a whole video on that. And that's it. It was a pretty good week. I mean, I tried some different things, working out more overall. Like I said, 2 thumbs up for this week. So anyway, thank you for hanging out with me for a while. I hope you guys are doing well in your journey, and I'll be in touch. Bye. Healthy Life with Kimmy.